So look at hose attachments. Okay, Hoover, it's our air. Most vacuum cleaner. So let's take a look. This is my car. This right here. This one. Okay, guys. This can go right here. Here's the vacuum. Looks for the way. Let's see. Okay, so this is the allergy, so take a look at the filters. This is lock, so your side is Hoover. So every single filter you want some water. Then 24. They have to try 24 hours. Oh look, it's the filters are to company. Was water for 2 minutes. The water wouldn't clean. Just extra water. For 24 hours. So for no filters to try the company. As the filters are could be 30390-301.com. This right here, you have the 2 parts be a full filter for water to clean it. Extra had the water and the 24 hours. The filters are to dry company. So that's a mixer. Go over here. That's a Cooper Series. That's 1800.944 and 99200 by Hoover.com. That's clean. There's lift the filters of see up out of no dirt cup. Dirt. This can be cool farm photos were not for here. Okay, that's the photos. That's all. Oh look, it's dirty right here. Yeah, I have to push the button. Let's see. Oh, this is dirty right here. It's dirty here. No, that tucks off. It's dirty. Check for not dirty here. I like to use suction. There we go. There we go. There's a hepa filter. It pops it off. There's a washbowl. Ooh, super hot. Let's see right here. Clean the hepa mean filter. The top filter clean of trash, the recycle, the dirt, the water. Do not rinse the filter. HEPA filters are 3039022001. Do not watch the dirty hair. HEPA meal filter. Let's put it down. It's cold over here. Alright. So there you go. Focus. Let's love the looks this over here, so make sure we have the washboard filters, so first the washboard filters are. This is the lock. This is the locker. Okay. We open it, the turn locked. No, open, go to close. There you go. Let's push the button right here. Ooh, wow. Side by the rubber shakes. There you go. Thank you for watching. And that's it.